Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Emily. So, the title might give it away, but this is definitely a food related channel, along with some other things along the way. But I love food. I've always loved food for many years and really had a passion for it. So I want to give you recipes for the whole family. So that may mean some healthy recipes, it may mean some recipes for people who are following a vegan or vegetarian diet, for those people who just love comfort food, and those who don't have any dietary restrictions, and probably one of my favourites, cakes, bakes, biscuits. Oh, yeah. I love them all. So I am a real food lover, but I love to be able to give you great recipes, tips and tricks of cookery. So please do subscribe to me and follow the alert bell, because that way, whenever I do a new recipe, you will get alerted first. I love to hear your comments. So if you've got any questions on, I don't know, let's think, maybe equipment that you're not sure how to use, any recipes that you would love me to cook and show you how to do, please send me a message. I do have some spam filters on all of my social media sites, simply because people have got nothing else better to do than spam, which is incredibly boring and a waste of time, and because I like to get basically answers to your questions and to reply back to as many of you as possible. So you'll see me in this kitchen a bit, but you'll also see me in my Lake District kitchen. You'll see me maybe doing outdoor cookery and even cooking on things like boats and caravans. Yes, this is something that I've been doing actually for many years. I've been doing cookery on TV shows on the Sky Channel platform. So basically, some of you already know me and have been following me and following my journey. I say hello to you. But now is a new era for me. I have just got a contract with a new channel. And this is super exciting because it means that I now get greater autonomy over my work. Previously with channels, I'm afraid I had to give them exclusivity with the clips. So that meant that I couldn't use them again, that they were just for them and I couldn't put them out. And this was quite upsetting, to be honest with you. So now's a new era and I have greater control over my work and my clips. So I'll be able to give them to you guys, which is brilliant. So don't forget, follow me on YouTube. You can follow me also on Facebook, also on Instagram and Twitter, and of course my website, which is never going to change. It's www.cookingwithemily.co.uk. So you'll see over time that I'm building up the video recipes for you. It's going to be a bit of a journey. I'm not allowed to use any of the previous clips, but I'm allowed to do new ones. So there we go. Gradually I will get there. So there's lots of great recipes for you to enjoy. I also want to start doing some taste tests and reviews on things because, I don't know, sometimes have you ever wondered, you know, what makes one tomato sauce maybe different to another and another, but I want to be doing with the production team, doing them blind tested. Yes, this is going to be something great and interesting, and also will give you different price points. This is important because I also like to look at dishes which don't cost the earth. It's called budget cookery. But do you know what? Budget doesn't mean cheap, nasty and bad tasting. It sometimes means a few little tricks, tips and tweaks just for you guys. So there's lots that I want to introduce, and I also want to inspire children into cookery as well. Something I've been doing for quite a few years now is I've been doing cookery demos and working with children with fussy eaters in particular to try and get them to cook and eat more. And I've sometimes found that actually when you engage the children in the cookery process, that they will actually eat the food. So we're on a journey together. So I hope you're going to enjoy this channel. It's lovely to hear from you all, so please do comment, and I will try and get back to you, as many of you as possible.